In this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So in order to go to the safe mode, first we need to open the power menu. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time. There we go. And after that you should be able to press and hold on the power button or the restart button. So just hold for like a second in order to show this information and press OK to reboot to the safe mode. After that, the phone will restart, and once it restarts, you should be able to see that you are in the safe mode. And there we go. As you can see, we have this information that we are in the safe mode. Now, in order to exit the safe mode and return to the normal mode, we need to once again restart our device. So once again, we're gonna go to the power menu. I'm gonna use the same combination again, and this time we need to simply tap on restart. And after that, once our phone turns back on, we should be back into the normal mode. Keep in mind that if you go to the safe mode, then by default, the phone turns on the airplane mode, and it is kept enabled if you exit the safe mode, so remember to turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!